What's up, guys? My name is Ryan. If you guys are new to the channel, please like and subscribe to this video. Today we're going to be discussing about the differences and the flaws between a real pair and a fake pair of the Flint 13s that recently just came out. Let's get into it. So first off, we have a size 13 replica, as you can see right here, for the Flint 13s. At first, when I was looking back, taking my notes, I have not seen any differences whatsoever, but please comment below if you do, other than the ones that I have found. So far, we only found 3 differences. The one on the shoe on the bottom with the Jordan Jumpman sign, it is punched in. Another difference is in the hologram. And on the replica pair, the toe tab of the Jordan 13 is still popped up.